Baby, this is going to be an atomic level of flavour. Absolutely awesome double stacker burger. G'day everyone, Scotty here, Head Rooster, Atomic Chicken. Look at this baby. Oh, crunch! Now that is a burger. Give these a little bit of a bash, just to get them a little bit thinner and consistent, so when we fry them, they're cooked nicely. And what we want to do is actually have them overnight in some buttermilk. 6 or 7, even 8 thighs will go beautifully into 600 mils of buttermilk. But if you want some extra flavour, big punch of flavour, we can use the chicken salt. Measuring really carefully. Quite a bit of salt there, and then we're just going to mix that around. Add our chicken thighs. And then they're going to sit in the fridge to brine in that buttermilk and salt mix. Overnight is best. What we're going to do is use some of the brand new Atomic Chicken hot and spicy to do some really good onion rings. Poured some of the hot and spicy in there, added some beer. Dayton's Bloodzilla, straight off. Dayton's my favourite brewery. So I've got some onion rings here. All I'm going to do is throw a few in. Let's do 3 in here. Nice and coated. And there you go, and we're going to cook those until they're beautiful, nice, crispy and brown. Look at that colour, they are looking beautiful. We're going to grab a pack of Atomic Chicken Original Southern Fried Chicken. Great for the whole family. We know your kids will love it, we know the whole family will love it. So we've had our chicken thighs soaking in this buttermilk and salt, and you know, as you can see, it's really penetrated the chicken to get that extra boost of flavour. And it doesn't matter if dripping, keep it really coated in the buttermilk. Bring it in there, punch that coating in here so it gets nice and flavoured. Push it in. What you want is that buttermilk to have all those little crispy little nodules and great little bits of flavour and the coating that everyone loves. So these have been resting for just a couple of minutes, not long, just for the gluten to start do its work. What we're going to do is grab one of these. We're just going to lay one in there. Okay, we're at the 2-minute mark, halfway. Look at that colour already. Look at those crispy bits. This is looking like a good bit of fried chicken. So let's keep that in. Just while I'm at it, the oil temp we're looking for is about 175 to 180. We've got a fryer here. You don't have to use a fryer. You can shallow fry it. You can use a wok. Just watch your temperature though. Get yourselves a good temperature, bro. Come down and see the legends here at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. Plenty of nice thermometers you can use to check your oil temp. Okay, so we've got our Martin's potato rolls. I like potato rolls. Just going to throw a little bit of lettuce on there, really just for colour. So I've also made a bit of sauce here, which we're going to use. It's a base mayonnaise, and I've grabbed myself some Get It In Ya heat beads have come out with this sauce. It's hot, it's beautiful, and this will go really well in this chicken burger, this double stacker with a bit of mayonnaise. We'll drizzle that on in a second. We've gone chicken. We've grilled up some bacon here just on the barbecue, smoked it a little bit, so we're going to add some bacon here because everything needs bacon. You've got to have bacon on everything. Then we're going to add another Atomic Chicken slab here. For the onion rings we did with the hot and spicy earlier on, they're going on. The sauce that we did before with the mayo and the heat beads hot sauce, we're going to drizzle that over. Look at that. No, let's go more. More is better. More of everything is better. And then we've just got some pickles to finish it off. So just chucking a few pickles there. Just add that really flavour. Give it that little bit of savoury in there. A little bit of vinegar. Put that on there. Top it off with a Martin's bun. Now that is a burger. Who wouldn't want that? That is atomic. Atomic level. Okay, let's see if we can do this. This is a man-sized atomic burger. Atomic chicken, Southern Fried Chicken rub. Let's get into it.